Well, where's your bottle? Where is it? Where did it go? Where's your bottle? Yeah, there it is. You found it. Bring it to Mommy. Can Mommy have it? Can Mommy have your bottle? You want to share? Please. Oops. Where did it go? Good job, you found it. Can Mommy have some, please? Hi. Thank you. Here you go. You want it back? No? Okay. Love you.